Hello everyone, I'm Tan Lu from KEDA SUREMAKER. I am currently at our manufacturing base. As a leader in holistic AAC plant solution equipment, we have built a vertically integrated manufacturing and assembly system. Driven by digitalization and greening, we are committed to delivering complete AAC plant solutions and services worldwide. Let's go and find out. The processing of core components relies on strong, heavy manufacturing capabilities and a complete process system. As the core strength of heavy and precision machining, we have 12-meter CNC gantry milling machines, TK6 920 CNC floor boring machines, and over 25 high-precision equipment. Full coverage of compound machining sequence, whether it is a large body or a precision part, can achieve high-precision machining. Relying on our strong process system and digital management, the dimensional accuracy of each part is strictly controlled, providing a solid guarantee for the performance of the whole machine. This is the precision leader of China's high-end equipment. KEDA SUREMAKER is committed to delivering complete AAC plant solutions and services worldwide. Welcome to inquire anytime.